Want to earn real money using AI like ChatGPT and Jasper? This isn't just another side hustle video. This is your blueprint to making your first $1,000 online. Today, I'll show you 4 real side hustles you can start right now, even with zero experience. We'll break down each hustle step by step, with real examples, pricing, and pro tips. By the end, you'll have 4 high-income skills you can use for life. Ready to see how AI can become your personal money-making machine? Let's get into it. First up, freelance writing, supercharged by AI. With ChatGPT, you can create blog posts, product reviews, and website copy in minutes. Every business needs content, and they'll pay well for it. Think $50 to $500 per article. The secret? Use AI for the first draft. Then add your own research, personality, and polish. That's how you go from basic rates to premium pay. Example: ask ChatGPT for a blog post on the benefits of indoor plants for mental health. Tweak it, add real examples, and you've got A+ content. 5 articles a week could mean $1,000, just from this hustle. Find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or by cold emailing businesses. Build a simple portfolio with AI-generated samples and start applying. The opportunity is right now. Don't wait. Try it tonight and see what you can create. Side Hustle 2, AI-powered social media management. Businesses need constant content but have no time. That's where you come in, using Jasper to generate captions and ideas in seconds. Offer packages like 12 captions and 4 creative ideas per week for $300, $500 per client. With AI, you can handle multiple clients in just a few hours a week. Use Canva for simple graphics, or just provide content ideas. Build a demo account for a fake business, fill it with AI-generated posts, and use it as your portfolio. Pitch local businesses or reach out on LinkedIn and Instagram. You're not just posting, you're helping businesses grow, land a few clients, and you're making real money fast. This is a scalable, sustainable business. Get started and turn your scrolling time into cash. Next, create and sell digital products for passive income. Use AI to write ebooks, checklists, planners, or templates. No expertise needed. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon KDP to reach millions of buyers. Example: use ChatGPT to outline and write a productivity hacks for students guide, format it in Canva, and upload as a PDF. One product can earn you $50, $100 a month. A library of products can bring in thousands. Focus on solving specific problems for specific audiences, like a meal plan for busy vegans or a Notion template for freelancers. Build a 30-day content checklist for real estate agents in minutes with ChatGPT, design it in Canva, and sell it on Etsy. The more products you create, the more you earn. Don't aim for perfection, just solve real problems. Use AI for content, Canva for design, and list your products today. This is true leverage. Build assets that earn while you sleep. Start your digital product factory now. Finally, launch an AI-powered service agency for high-value, high-margin work. Offer specialized services like resume rewriting, script editing, email marketing, or SEO optimization. Use AI to handle the heavy lifting, then refine and personalize for clients. Example: rewrite a resume with ChatGPT, polish it, and deliver a $50 service in 30 minutes. Upsell with cover letters or interview coaching for even more income. Script editing is another goldmine. Clean up YouTube or podcast scripts with AI and charge $100+ per edit. Position yourself as an AI consultant, not just a freelancer. Find clients on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or freelance sites. Master one service, get testimonials, and build a simple website to showcase your results. You're selling speed, quality, and results. Businesses will pay a premium. Pick a service, learn the best AI prompts, and launch your agency. This is how you build a high-income skill for the future. There you have it. 4 step-by-step blueprints to start making real money with AI. The only thing stopping you is taking action. If you're ready, smash that like button, subscribe, and share your first AI project in the comments. I want to see your journey and cheer you on. Next up, we'll dive into the fastest AI tools for passive income. So turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Now go build your empire.